Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back today with a little mini Dollar Tree haul. Not a lot of things in here. I got a few Valentine's things and a few household items. So this is going to be a real short video, but let's get right to it, okay? So I did pick up some stuff. I'm going to be making a Valentine's Day wreath for my sister. So y'all stay tuned. That'll be coming up. Hopefully this should go up Sunday. This video should go up Sunday, so maybe Wednesday. But I got these 7-piece heart picks. Those are really cute. And then I don't know if I'm going to use these yet or not, but I got the little bouquet with the 5 white glitter hearts. My Dollar Trees, it was very slim pickings. They're all getting ready to convert to Dollar Tree Pluses. They've got a lot of bare shelves and not a lot of staff, so we'll just wait to see what's going to happen. And I did pick another Valentine's Day item. This is the 12-foot, I think it's 12-foot or 9-foot, 12-foot Tinsel Garland. I got that in the red, so that's cute. I'm going to try to incorporate that into my wreath. And then I picked up these cute little notepads, trying to think of something for a Valentine's gift that's not so much candy related, you know, because not everybody loves candy that much, and we just got through with all the candy at Christmas, so we might want a little break from it. But they had the really cute notepads, and of course I found one for myself that I had to have, and it says alpaca on it, and it's got a cute little alpaca on the front. And when you open it up, it has Post-its and stickies, and I thought that was just adorable, so I picked that up for myself. And then for a little Valentine's gift, I got this cute little Floral Jot Stationery Set with the pen, and it has the pad and then the 2 stickies in it. And I saw someone, I can't remember the lady's name now, she's really good. I love her YouTube channel. I'll have to put a link to her down below, but she had hauled some that had little bees on the front, and I thought they were adorable, but I couldn't find any of those. But I did find these 2 with the flowers on it. And then just another couple of notepads. This one is like more of a, could be for a man. It's not overly floral, it's just got some color on it, and it's just a notepad. It's the Crown Jewels list pad with 50 sheets, and it says "Be not afraid, just believe, Mark." So I've got that one, and then I picked up another one by Crown Jewels, "Rejoice Always," and it's just a notepad with 50 pages. So I got those. I thought they would be nice, put with a little something for Valentine's. Like I said, I don't have a lot of stuff in here, y'all, so this is going to be a super quick video. Picked up a spray bottle. You never can have too many spray bottles. So I'm going to be doing some bleached t-shirts with sublimation or HTV vinyl on the front of them. So I picked that up to do my bleach with. And my Dollar Tree have this Tough Plus all-purpose cleaning wipes, 160 count. And I think this is supposed to be a Dollar Tree Plus item, but my store had these for $1, so I picked up a couple of these. These are great for cleaning up doggy messes or spills around the house. That doesn't say anything about them being disinfecting, but it says the ingredients are sterilized water, all-purpose cleaner, citric acid, and some chemicals. I can't really say what they are. I can't pronounce it, but it's good. It says it's tough on oil, grease, paint, glue, and food stains. So I picked up 2 of these, so I'm gonna give those a test out. I'll let you know how I like them. And I'm trying to do a little bit of organizing, so I got the Essentials dish rack. I have one of these in my cabinet that has my plates in it, and then I have one in another cabinet that has my pot lids in it, and I think I'm going to use this one in my craft room for my paper cutter and my scoreboard and things like that. So I'm going to see how that works, if I can secure it down so it doesn't topple over, because some of my items are a little top heavy. And we're almost to the bottom, y'all. I told you it was really small. I picked up cute little, what do they call this? Cosmetics case. Let's see if I can get it opened up. But it opens up and it's got a little mirror in it and the 2 trays. I thought it was really cute. Thought I would personalize it, maybe put a little decal on it. And if I do, I'll show it to you and show you what I store in it. And then I got a 3-plug wall tap, 3 outlets. That's always good to have. And then I picked up this low carb favorites, tasty, gratifying recipes, food we love. Let me see if I can find a price on it anywhere. Any kind of, doesn't really say. But I thought I got that, and you know, I'm going to try to go back to the low carb, and I've got another channel, and I'm going to put a link to it at the bottom in the description box. And I'm going to start this week, Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be the start day. My first video should go up there. And I'm going to do one of the recipes from this little cookbook. It's $1 from Dollar Tree, and it has a frittata in it, stuffed zucchini boats, lemon garlic scallops, and you can just, it's got some nice pictures and some recipes. So we're going to give that a try, and we're going to get healthy this year. Really, we're going to try. I knew I was going to start the new year, and I thought I was going to be healthy, but I got bronchitis again. I really thought I had COVID, y'all, but I did not. It was a really bad case of bronchitis, but I'm getting over it now, so hopefully I'm going to get in there and get my videos up. But I hate to say it, y'all, but that is the end of the video. That's the only items I got at Dollar Tree. I did one quick trip. First time I've been out of the house since my last video went up, so I hope to be back and get some more videos crafting. I got the stuff all laid out ready to do, so if I could just get the energy to do them, I'll get them up, and we'll see you next time. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.